Hey there friends, today is day 4 of the 12 days of baked goods, and today we're doing sprinkle rolled cookies. We're gonna roll some in white, green, and red sprinkles, and another in a rainbow set. These are perfect for Christmas time, New Year's, or get some red and pink ones, and they're perfect for Valentine's Day. As always, everything you're gonna need will be in the description box down below. Now let's get started on these cookies. You're gonna need some flour. I use unbleached all-purpose, some room temperature unsalted butter, your sugar, your vanilla extract, your baking powder, your salt, your eggs, and some sprinkles. In a clean bowl, we're gonna put our butter in here. Make sure it's nice and soft, and then to this we're gonna add in our sugar and then combine it all well. Once that's combined, add in your vanilla extract and your 2 eggs to this and give it a good mix. Then finally your dry ingredients, so your salt, baking powder, and your flour. I'm just gonna pour it all in there and then combine it all together. This is a bit more on the sticky side of a dough. You can stick it in the fridge if you'd like. I'm just gonna get my ice cream scoop, start scooping these out. So just make a ball, drop it into your sprinkles, roll it around, and then place it on your baking pan. So I split my dough in half. Half of them are going to be these Christmas themed ones with the red and green and white. And then I'm also doing the rainbow sprinkles. You can do it seasonal and just change up the pearls that you're using. And then once I'm done rolling all of these out, I'm going to put them on a quarter sheet pan, wrap them up in saran wrap, and chill them in the fridge for a bit, just about 10 to 30 minutes. Once they've had plenty of time to chill, I'm going to place them on the half sheet pan with parchment paper and bake them at 350 degrees for about 10 minutes. Depending on how crispy or how hard you want your cookies, you may bake them a little longer or bake them less, just until you notice them slightly start to get golden brown. Once they've completely baked, I'm going to transfer them to a wire rack to completely cool down. And here are these sprinkle rolled sugar cookies. They are absolutely delicious. Highly recommend this recipe to you. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see pictures of everything I make, I do have my social media links down below. And until next time, happy holidays and stay sweet.